We have 24 participants as of now. Okay. Listen, I love to apologize and start on that note. You guys had to live with me for the semester, put up with me for the semester. It was Gautam sir who was supposed to be your faculty. Unfortunate that he had to quit Sabita. So, so sorry you're stuck with me for the semester. Hope I can live up to your expectations. Right. Coming to the next part, right? So we have an understanding that this semester will be a little different from last semester. Wherein last semester we had more of Google Meet classes, right? So this semester we will have more in terms of the in terms of the Moodle content, in terms of the activities, the quiz, anything for that matter. It will be Moodle that is predominant, and this is a supplementary supplementary class that we will have. What do you mean, sir? All right. So only if there is any clarifications or any doubts, any questions, we'll utilize this session. The classes will all be part of the Moodle session, it seems. So the content will be there, the video will be there, the activities will be there. You guys go through it, and then we will have clarification sessions, maybe for 20-30 minutes per week. So that way we gain few things. One, obviously, for students, you don't have to sit in front of your system throughout the day having online classes. You can choose to log into Moodle whenever you want to at any given point of time within that span of a week. So the content that is assigned for you guys for this week is available till Saturday. So starting today, it will be available till Saturday. So access it. Um, Listen to the videos and read through other contents that are uploaded there, and then access and um, get the quiz and other activities which are given to you done within this time duration that is given to you. So based on that, the attendance will be given to the students. So does that mean you don't have to join the class? அப்படி கேட்கலாம். But I'm sorry to say you have to attend the session as well, because the session is going to be for us very less duration. Please join the session. Don't think that you can skip it, because the attendance obviously will be based on both Moodle and the Google Meet sessions. So you'll have to be there in both. Okay. So having said that, there are certain expectations from me, since it is an online thing. See, whenever there is a announcement that is made, whenever there is a deadline that is given, I sincerely request all of you to comply and finish whatever has been assigned to you on time. So the deadline is something which we need to treat sanct to sanct. So it's very important. So please follow that. That's the only request for me as of now. So if it is a class, then we will have a list of things that we expect. But since we are not going to have that, it's going to be Moodle predominantly. So um, treat Moodle with utmost care and sincerity, and be punctual in terms of your submissions. Okay. That being said, my expectations are given to you very clearly. If you have any clarifications, if you want to scold me for being here replacing Gautam, you can do that. I'm leaving the floor open for your for all of you. I'm serious about it. Throw it out, right? Expecting Gautam and me, right? So, and I'm being here, so I understand most of you would have expected who you have selected. Unfortunate that has happened, but I'm leaving the floor really open for you guys to throw stones at me right now, because by today we'll close that chapter. We don't have a choice right now. Anything you'd like to add? Anything that you'd like to share? Any suggestions? Any clarifications? Please let me know. ஏதாவது பேசுங்கடா. Nothing. We are okay with you, sir. வேற வழி இல்ல. We have a choice. சூப்பர்மா. சூப்பரா இருக்கேன். நீங்களாம் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? So listen, um, there's something that I did last week, which we didn't have the opportunity to. Okay, before that, um, I know most of you are worried in terms of the attendance for last week. We'll deal with that. Okay, we'll take care of that. So it is marked absent for all of you because I'm not sure. Okay, it's marked present only, right? Okay, if it's marked present, then it's fine. Okay, I'll take care of that. Okay, right. Uh, Anything else you would like to share? See, unless otherwise it is interactive, I won't know what your expectations are. Then பாருங்க முந்திரியோட மாதிரி I've been telling you what I expect இல்லையா? So at the same time it has to be mutual. நீங்களும் சொல்லணும். Praveen, Gautam, something which we chose. நீங்க தான் வந்திருக்கீங்க, but this is an expectation. We expected this from Gautam, so something similar we would want from you. Na, please let us know. Let me know. Yeah, quiz is also there. Yes, right. So if there is anything that you'd like to share, please do that. இல்ல nothing sir அப்படின்னா you're free to go. But then Saturday, I think evening around 7:30 8 the content will be locked. So which means you won't be able to access it after that. I'm talking about the content assigned for this week. Okay, so that you can view right now. All the other content that we have uploaded have been blocked from you to view. Only those content that is available for you, that is still Saturday. So please complete it. ஸோ சில கிளாஸ்ல சாட்டர்டே தான் இருக்கு அந்த கிளாஸோட அசைன்மெண்ட்ஸும் சாட்டர்டே அன்னைக்கு லாக் ஆயிடுமா சி that's what I'm see Rushi Preeta has asked this question, can all of you read through it please. She's asking what if for those classes which is on a Saturday, so then they don't have time for the to upload இல்லையா அப்படின்னு கேக்குறாங்க. So the reason this is open for a week is for the students to access it throughout the week. So your class may be on a Saturday, but the content is open for throughout the week for all of you. It doesn't matter if your class is on a Monday or a Saturday. You can still access from Monday to Saturday any day, right? So a person on a Saturday's class can access Moodle on Monday, uh, can access Moodle on any given day and complete it before Saturday. The only thing is the class will have the Google Meet option on that particular date or day for that matter. Let's say for a Saturday class, the Google Meet will happen on a Saturday, but then they will be able to access throughout the week. Yeah. Okay. Sujan, I'll in the are you in the group? I will share the um, link for Moodle link in the group. I have a list there. I will share it there. Okay. Anything else? அவ்வளவுதானா? கௌதம்னு நிறைய கேட்டிருப்போமா? Right. Okay. If there is nothing else, you guys can leave. If there is anything, please ask. Thank you. Thank you. Soft skill question papers you're showing is always for software companies. Okay. That's a good question here. I'll look into it. If it is just related to software companies, then more questions will be added. I'll check with my team and get back to you. Thanks, Ruchi. Thanks. Thanks a lot. Sam, did I answer your question? I'll check with the team and get back. But then my immediate answer will be those questions that are shared are the questions from those companies which are sure to be here. Okay, but anyways, I'll take this question to my team and then get back to you. But then I'm not sure if it is only for soft skill. See, if it is only for software companies, so it's I'm not sure. Sam, if you can, will you educate question pattern from our core department? So you're talking about technical questions, or what are you actually talking about, Sam? Sam, can you give me a call after we end this session? Please give me a call, Sam. We'll discuss. Okay.